or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryam, and in today's video I'll be finally revealing where I'll be going to university next year. Before I start, I just want to say that these are all just my personal opinions, so definitely do not decide where you go based on what I say in this video. So the 5 main programs that I was debating between were University of Toronto for Computer Engineering, McMaster for Engineering, University of Waterloo for Computer Engineering, Western University for Engineering, and University of Waterloo for Computer Science. In total, I applied to 10 different programs, but these were the 5 that I was debating between. Alright, so the first program that I can eliminate is Western University for Engineering, just because I never thought that I'd be applying to this program, but literally the day before I had to submit all my choices on UofT. I decided to apply because I heard great things about the program and the school, but just because I never visited the campus or did I do a lot of research, I just didn't really see myself going there. Alright, the next program that I'm going to eliminate is the University of Toronto for Computer Engineering, just because back in November I wasn't sure if I wanted to move out or stay at home in Toronto, but throughout grade 12 I really decided that it was the best choice for me to live on campus and experience living away from home. I know that I could have lived on res even if I went to the University of Toronto, but I didn't really see a point just because I lived 40 minutes away from the campus. And also, I didn't really like how the University of Toronto campus was so huge. I felt very overwhelmed when I visited, but either way, it's an amazing program and it's an amazing school, but I just didn't see myself there. Next program that I had to eliminate, and this was very hard just because I loved so many things about each program, is McMaster University for Engineering, just because first year is general and you have to do well in first year in order to get your first pick for second year, and knowing myself, I thought that would be a bit too risky, but I love McMaster's campus and the community, but it just wasn't for me. Finally, that leaves us with the University of Waterloo for Computer Engineering and University of Waterloo for Computer Science. This was a very hard decision, and I actually only confirmed on UofT the day before it was due, so I was really just listing all the pros and cons I could think of each program, but I ultimately had to go with the University of Waterloo for Computer Science, just because I'm not really sure what I want to do in the future, and with this program I'm allowed to take a lot of electives, and hopefully I can see which courses I like and what I want to do in the future. And this year grade 12 physics was very difficult, and I know that computer engineering has a lot of physics, so I decided to go with CS because I know that it's more math based and I actually prefer that way more than physics. But regardless, they are both amazing programs, and I'm really excited that I will be going to University of Waterloo. I actually met some of my future classmates and they all seem super nice and super hardworking, so I'm excited to be around them. And I know with the whole situation of Corona, things won't be the same, but hopefully we will make the best out of it. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in my next video.